Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this advice, so that they can clean the headlights of their cars when they are already opaque or keep them clean before they pass. It is very simple, and as you know with items they already have at home. As my headlights are still decent because I recently cleaned them, but we are going to concentrate on a part to see that if it serves or at least if it cleans them more. As they see in the part of the lighthouse, where the focus of the directional is already beginning to overshadow, that is the part that is now dirty, so we will pass the whole lighthouse, but paying attention to that particular part, so we see that we will need to do it. We will need some water in a container, toothpaste that will be our abrasive to be able to clean the lighthouse, preferably of the normal but anyone will serve, a toothbrush that will no longer use, or a finer bristle brush, so as not to scratch it, and not leave it worse than it is. So you better get a toothbrush and finally a rag or flannel to dry and clean it, and now see how to do it. We are going to throw the toothpaste to the brush, and we will start passing it all over the lighthouse, which we previously cleaned with the cloth. We are going to put the necessary paste, and if they see that it starts to dry or be hard, they wet the toothbrush a little in the water, and pass the lighthouse again. This will take a few minutes to clean it thoroughly, but do it the time you think necessary, and so you will have much better. Since they finish passing it, they let it stand for a couple of minutes. Since the necessary time passed, we take our brush again, and soak it in the water, and pass it again to remove all the dirt that was the one that was causing the lighthouse to be opaque, and that the light at night was not seen well. Rub with force to get everything out, and look good. Since we finished cleaning it, we only pass the rag to finish drying it, and remove the paste surplus that has remained on it. They will immediately notice a big difference in the headlights that are already very opaque, and believe me, that they will clean them very well, and look like new. As you can see, you can notice a big difference of how it was at the beginning. It is already less opaque, and looks much clearer. Anyway, if you think it has not been as you want, they happen again, until you believe that it is already well. But so that no doubt is left, here I will leave you an image to compare the before, and after we did the cleanliness. It can still look better, but see how he took a lot of the opaque he had. As they could see with just toothpaste, and a used toothbrush, we can leave our headlights impeccable, and not suffer because our car does not illuminate well. Apart from that, we avoid paying a lot of money for something you can do at home, and without spending anything because they already have everything. And as you know, that is the point of the channel, that they are things that you can do in your homes, and preferably that they spend absolutely anything. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends and acquaintances, like the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.